Can a VAWA be applied for if my abuser is not a U.S. citizen yet? Right? Can you apply for VAWA if your spouse is not a U.S. citizen yet? So many people want to apply for VAWA because their spouse is not helping them with the green card process. Their spouse is abusive. They live together with the spouse. It's a real marriage, right? They may not currently live together, but they entered into the marriage thinking that they were going to be together. So many people enter into it in that situation. The spouse is not helpful. So VAWA is a great option because you could potentially get work authorization, you could get travel authorization, it can lead to a green card if you can apply for VAWA and a green card at the same time. So there's a huge benefit for VAWA, especially most importantly, the social security number and work authorization. But some people think that they can't apply for it because their spouse is not a U.S. citizen. Don't forget that spouses of green card holders can also apply for VAWA even if you are not in status at the time. So if you've lost your status and you qualify for VAWA, you can still apply for VAWA even if you're married to a green card holder. We're representing a number of people that are married to green card holders. They've lived with them for any amount of time. There's some kind of abuse in their marriage, whether it's emotional, whether it's financial, psychological abuse, right? So they have different types of abuse in their marriage. They've lived with their spouse for a certain amount of time. And it's a real marriage. It was not entered into for immigration purposes. Their spouse might be a green card holder. Maybe they don't want to sponsor them, but they can apply on their own without their spouse even knowing that, that they're applying for a green card. Okay? Another thing that you guys should keep in mind is when we do VAWA cases, our firm is the mailing address. So if you're nervous about immigration sending things to your house because your spouse might see, especially in this abusive situation, we are usually the mailing address. All the mail comes to us and we will share it with you through our secure portal. So don't let that prevent you from getting the benefits you deserve if you do think you might qualify for VAWA. All right? Give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.